Now let me show you the first habit that changed my entire relationship with money. Number 1. Kakeibo, the Mindful Money Journal. This habit has been around since 1904, and it is basically a household financial ledger where you write down every single expense by hand. Yeah, I know exactly what you are thinking. There is an app for that. But here's the thing. There is something about writing it down that hits different. Most Americans have no idea where their money actually goes. Seriously, go ask someone where their paycheck went, and you will hear, "I don't know, it just disappeared." Subscriptions they forgot about, impulse purchases that seemed small at the time, and DoorDash orders that add up to more than their rent. The money just vanishes into a black hole. Kakeibo forces you to face reality, with no more hiding. You write every single purchase in 4 simple categories. First, survival stuff like rent and groceries. Second, optional stuff like that streaming service you haven't used in 6 months. Third, culture stuff like books, concerts, and experiences. And fourth, extra stuff, which is basically, why did I buy this? Studies show that people who write down their expenses spend 15 to 20% less automatically. Not because they are restricting themselves, but because they are finally aware. There is an ancient saying that the palest ink is better than the best memory. When you write it, you see it. And when you see it, you cannot unsee it. And that is when you change it. This is not about feeling guilty or depriving yourself. It is about becoming conscious. You are not becoming a penny pincher. You are becoming aware of unconscious spending, and that is a massive difference. Kakeibo asks you 4 simple questions every time you sit down with it. How much money do I have right now? How much do I want to save this month? How much am I actually spending? And here is the big one. How can I improve? Not how can I be perfect, but how can I improve just a little bit? That is the whole game right there. Here's what you need to do tonight. Go buy a small notebook, nothing fancy, just a regular notebook. Do not use an app. The act of physically writing matters more than you think. For the next 30 days, write down every single purchase, everything. The coffee, the parking, the random Amazon order at 2 in the morning. Categorize it into those 4 buckets and review it every single week. Let me tell you a story that will hit home for a lot of you. A woman I know started Kakeibo after years of saying, "Where did my money go?" Her first month, she discovered $400 going to subscriptions she completely forgot about. Another $300 on impulse coffee and lunches that she barely remembered eating. And $200 on apps and digital purchases she did not even remember downloading. She did not cancel everything immediately, she just became aware. 6 months later, she had saved $4,000 without feeling deprived at all. A year later, she had a $10,000 emergency fund. Same income, same job, same life, just different awareness. Awareness is the first step to wealth, and you cannot fix what you cannot see. Write it down, see the truth, and change the pattern naturally. But that is just tracking spending. And what I am about to say next is what makes the real difference, because seeing where money goes is step 1. Step 2 is about stopping the leak that most people do not even notice. Number 2, Matenai, the art of no waste.